My dear French-speaking friends, I've been making a series of videos to help you sound more professional and more impactful when you speak English. And today I'm going to tell you one easy tip that you can use for more natural and impactful English. Now in French, you might translate a sentence that comes out like this. Normally, the meeting starts at 1. Okay. In English, we would not say normally it starts at 1. We would say it should start at 1. So yes, we're putting the information into a verb, should. So next time you want to say, normally the train comes at 9 o'clock, try saying the train should come at 9 o'clock. Or normally we sign the contract today, we should sign the contract today. A small change that has an impact on how you sound.